These grapes need to be sorted out a little bit here. You can see I have one spike coming up, but I also have this one. This one's my sturdier one, so we'll pinch that one off. I've got two here. I kind of like this one, so we'll pinch the bottom one off. This one's okay. I'll pinch these off. Got some down here on the bottom, one on the bottom there. Got two here, one coming out this way. It's pretty close to this one, but we'll take that. Might leave this one. This one coming off the bottom's got to go. This one, and we'll take this one. Take the ones off the back. There we go. These are Pinot Noir grapes. We gotta space these out a little bit. You can see on some of these, I have this shoot coming off of here, but I also have one coming off the bottom, one coming off the top. We're gonna take the bottom one off, even though it's longer. It's not in the right position. And one coming off the back's gotta go. And that one I had left on from previous, so I gotta take it. It's last year's growth. Take that one off. Here we have 1, 2, 3 coming off this shoot here. And we're gonna take this one off. They just snap right off. We'll take the one off the back off. This one, we'll take the one off the bottom. This one over here, you got one coming off the bottom, we'll take that one off. One side shoot down below, one way in the back, take that one off. This one off the bottom, take that one off. You can see how fast it goes. Take this side shoot off the bottom area, and we'll take that one off the back. We'll take this one on the front here. The ones off the back will come out, the one on the front. Down here, take the one off the back. Take these ones off the bottom. Leave that one coming around. Let's go over here to this side. You can see this big old pile of leaves coming out here. Stems. This one is the most predominant. It's coming off this shoot right here. So we're going to take all these off. All those off. This one's coming off the back. We don't want it off the back, but I don't have one in the middle here. I need one there, but I don't have one, so we'll leave it for now. This one coming off the back's got to go. Over here we got the same issue. Too jumbled of a mess. We'll take the ones off the back and leave this one here up underneath the tie wire. And this one here, we will leave. These ones on the bottom gotta go. This one here has gotta go. Alright? It's pretty simple. It's just a job that has to be done. Take the one off the back down here. And that one. Okay, get my foot out of here. Come around over here. I got two coming off this one here, and one coming off the bottom. We're going to take the predominant one, take that one off. Same with this one. Take the predominant one, take this one off. Take the one off the bottom, take the one off the back. They just snap off super easy. Take that one off. Take that one off. You gotta thin these out. If you don't, what will happen is you just get too much growth. Now this one here, I don't know if you can see it, this thing's in the way, but I have a peg. Let me bring you over. See, I have this, look at that bug right there. I have this stem coming off of here, but I have one coming out of this stem from last year. I'm gonna take this back, take that one off, leaving me with the one. This one over here, I have one coming off the bottom, that's gotta go. One coming off the side, that's gotta go. One coming out the crown. I just lost that one, but this one we will keep. We'll trim that back. This one coming out the bottom, it's gotta go. That one coming off the bottom. Back here, I got one in the back. Gotta go. One off the side. Same with this one. We'll take that one and this one. Over here, these on the bottom gotta go. This one on the bottom. Let's take that one off. That one on the bottom, the ones in the back. Just like that. I mean, how long did that take? I'm gonna leave this one on the back and it can come over all the way to the end, get a little more growth on that side. Just like that, we're done. I mean, how long did that take? Oh, I got some down here. Hold on, we're not done yet. We're not quite done yet. I got these down here. Got a few on the bottom down here, it's gotta go. One on the back side's gotta go. One on the back side there, this one's gotta go. Now see, I've got two coming off this one right here, I got two. And I need to decide, this one's kind of aiming this way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna decide and take that one from last year off. Same with this one, take the one off the bottom. Same with this one, these on the back, gotta go. This one on the bottom. I don't want you underneath there though, there you go. Okay, some down here. This is my guy I'm gonna keep. These gotta go. All these little tiny suckers. And same with this one. Just too many suckers. There, now we're looking better. Get this up and around here. Pinch those off the back. Alright. Those are evenly spaced. Let's come over here. This is my new vine. It's coming up here. It's my second year, so none of the fruit's going to be kept on this one. My other vine stops right here at this cross point. It's coming down. We're just going to pinch off everything that is not 6 inches apart. This one's got to go. This one's got to go. We'll keep that one. Here's one. We're going to pinch that one. We're going to pinch this one off. Keep that one. Pinch this one off. Quick one today. Doing some grapevine pruning. Springtime. We are March 20th. All right. You guys have a good day.